school fees. Reserve now for grade 2 for only 105,000 pesos. Sabi ko, anak, ano pa nagbibili sila? What are they teaching you there? Oh, Dad, we're singing ABC and counting 1. Inaral ko sa daycare center yan eh. Yung sa may barangay, yung libre. Pero why do you think we love to send our kids to quote-unquote best schools? Kasi yung maisipan natin best schools, will translate to best education. And the best education will translate to best opportunity. And more opportunities means more money. Right? So if you think education costs, try ignorance. It's costlier. So ito pinag-aanaan dito. And of course, the cost of living. The reality yan, tumataas. So we really have to make our money grow. Our money to work harder. Not us working for money. You've heard that before. Now, let me just also emphasize we need to invest because of the reality also of this inflation. Everybody say inflation. What's inflation? Sa Tagalog, hindi inflation eh. Sa Tagalog, ito yung patuloy na pagtaas ng mga pangunahing bilihin at serbisyo year after year after year. Kung kaya palit na lang yung halaga ng ating salapi. Right? Yung mabibili mo ng 100 noong 1970, by today, it's like more than 700. Sa Philippines, ang inflation target natin, at least, we're here, between 2 to 3%. This is the rate in which your money is being eaten up. So, ang challenge sa atin, you have to beat inflation. Ibig sabihin, talunin mo. Make sure your money would grow faster than 3%. Kasi kung kumita ka lang ng 2%, wala ka na eh. Lugi ka pa nga kasi kinain na ng inflation. So, the challenge is to find ways for your money to grow faster than the inflation. It's up. Ang tanong, how much is my money earning? Like, many of us who place our money in a savings account deposit. Karaniwan yan, good. Diba? Do you know how much is it earning sa bangko? Yung pera natin. Di ba nag-iya? Sa land bank, eto binigay pa rin sa akin. Ang daming zero, kaya lang wrong place. PA means per annum, per year. This is how much your money is earning in the bank. Less than 1%. 1/4 of